excited. Bring on footy, bring on the season.
This is me today again. It's warm. It's warm.
Yeah, go to say the Dolphins have earned that.
Come on! Yeah! Come on!
Yeah, we're half an hour late. Train, stupid train. This is why you don't train with Queensland Rail. Alright, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's Phins coming back for another video. Today we're here at Suncorp Stadium in Brisbane for the start of the 2023 NRL Telstra Premiership season between the new Boys The Dolphins and my boys the Sydney Roosters. It's going to be a fantastic day. It looks like it's going to be a big crowd in around about 40,000. It's going to be a fantastic day. There's a lot of Roosters fans and a lot of Dolphins fans. It's great to see that we've got a big house here, a full house here in the first game of the season for both the Dolphins in their inaugural game and the Roosters in the first of the 2023 season. Now, obviously, this game's got so much history because the likes of Arthur Beetson, who played for the Dolphins, who also played for the Roosters. He was part of the 74-75 team for the Roosters when they went back-to-back under the ownership of Jack Gibson. Unfortunately, he did pass away in 2011. And in that time, he did say that he wanted to see the Roosters and the Dolphins play in the top flight game. Well, today, Arthur, this is for you. We're here at Suncorp. We're here to get behind the boys, the Roosters to take on the Dolphins. Hope you guys enjoy this video. If you're new around here, hope you guys like the video. Subscribe if you're new and follow me on my TikTok and social at Hainsey_YT. All right, guys, let's get into the away bay. Let's enjoy the atmosphere. In 2 weeks' time, we'll be at the Roosters and the Rabbitohs at Allianz Stadium. But until then, let's enjoy the first game of the Dolphins, the dawn of the Dolphins between the Roosters and the Dolphins here at Suncorp. Come the Chooks, come on!
Right, here we got Matt before the game. Bloody scorching here in the away bay. What are your thoughts on the predictions here? How do you reckon the Roosters will win today?
I think the Roosters will win, but I'm a bit excited about the game. First game for the Dolphins and first game for 2023 for the Roosters, so I'm excited. Bring on footy, bring on the season.
Are you happy with the team so far? Obviously, we got Corey Allen and Jackson Paulo in that right side. Are we happy with that?
Yeah, I'm pretty happy. Corey Allen, he's an experienced player. He's played for South, he's played for Bulldogs. He's an experienced player, and Jackson Paulo's got NRL experience too. Had a full pre-season to train together because Marnie's been out for about 6 weeks, so I think that'll be good.
Yeah, definitely. And finally, score predictions. What's the score? How much of the Roosters win by today?
It's going to be 36-12 to the Roosters.
Yeah, I'm going 38-16. All right, guys, kick off my fault.
So it's like the second year in a row where the Roosters at the start of the season in like 40-degree heat. Remember last year against Newcastle? Yeah, this is me today again. It's warm, it's warm. Last tackle now for the Dolphins, short side. Offload. Forward! It's forward! It's forward, yeah! Sit down, you Queensland bandwagons! Yeah, sit down, forward pass! We all know you're all Broncos fans! You're all Broncos fans, sit down! Come on, boys. Here we go. Tupou! Oh, hello! Going upstairs. He pulls you back to penalty try.
If he's 10 in the bin.
How? So if he does drop it, it should be a penalty try anyway.
Maybe. You've got to have clear count.
Hang on. There, no, hang on. He's grounded that. Yeah! Come on, boys! Come on! Come on! Roosters! Go, lads! Roosters! SME. Can we just hope the goal this season that Semi improves his goalkeeping? It'd be nice. Oh, he's done it well here, yeah! He's done it, boy, Semi! Oh, boy, Semi! Too easy in the end, yeah. Sarko to make it 6-all in front of the post. Like I said, we've got a game on our hands. Go to yeah! Hunter! Come on! Hunter in the butt almost! Straight after conceding, the Roosters regain the lead. Great set, great the set. Let's go, lads. Let's go, boys. Good start. 20 minutes gone, Roosters 10-6. Sam Walker, the kick from 10 in from touch. Yeah, lovely, Sammy! Good kick, son. 12-6. And what happened was, so the Dolphins kicked, we kicked off, and the Dolphins tried to trap it with their foot, and he's come off the foot and it's rolled into the hands of Lindsay Collins, almost scored, and then we scored off that set. So, a little bit of luck, but we'll take it, 12-6 Roosters. Last tackle. Go, Teddy. Yeah, 6 more, beautiful. Good, Teddy. Get run down. Good tackle. Great tackle.
That's
Suali on Branko Lee. Oh, Paul rushed in.
Great tackle.
I thought he was offside.
Get onside. Come on, come on.
Hold him out.
We're so short.
Oh, yes! Great tackle. Oh, one forward! Yeah. 8 minutes out from half time. Big set here for the Roosters. The Dolphins on the line. Yeah, great defense, boys!
What a tackle!
Swelling again!
Oh my god.
So the Dolphins 15 minutes out here. Oh, nothing going there.
Let's hear you, Suncorp Stadium. Dolphins! Dolphins!
Yeah, you need the ground announcer to make a chant. Seriously. Oh, that's forward! That was forward. Keep dropping the ball. Keep dropping the ball last 5 minutes. Let's led to that. Let's led to that. Go Kerry Butcher. Great half. Alright, half time here at Suncorp Stadium. The Dolphins 12, the Roosters 12. It's been a really good first half. It's so hot outside. But we're coming into the little bit of a bar area because it's that hot. Like, I can understand now that the Titans supporters complain about 3 o'clock kickoffs on the Gold Coast because it is absolutely boiling here today at Suncorp. But look, very good moment for both teams, especially the Dolphins. They're playing really well. But I thought this all along that the Dolphins will play for about 60, 70 minutes. Then we'll come out on top in the end. So it's going to be an interesting second half. So stay tuned. Second half back on the way. On the back fence, Terrell May. Yahoo! 3 sets in a row here for the Dolphins. But that was all from the error. First set from half time. And I've had the ball ever since. Fuck's sake. Fucking too easy, man. So it's 24-12. It's embarrassing. That's all I'm putting it. It's embarrassing. Get up, Tubes! Get up, Tubes! Oh yeah! I don't know. Yeah! Yeah! Come on, boys! Come on, Toots! Go, boys! It's not one of those days. This has been. The Dolphins will take their chances. We haven't. Simple as that. All over. Oh dear. If they're sin-binning him for that, that's a joke. Oh, wow. What a joke. What a joke.
Tackling him around the legs.
He's running, for God's sake. Did he? Oh, he missed it. Oh, yes! Come on! Come on! Come on!
I reckon they grounded at the same time.
Come on. It's knocked on by the Dolphins. Is it? Come on, Tupou, get it down.
Yes.
Tupou got it? Tupou got it? Yeah, Tupou got on the try. Here we go. It'll be 28-18 with 13 and a half to go, so still time.
Unless they determined that it was grounded together, but Tupou's hand was in front of
Tupou
his.
was ahead of his, yeah. This will tell us.
There's my try scorer.
Yeah, me too. Come on. Yes, come on. Here we go. Lot better, lot better.
I just need Teddy to score and it covers the line.
Yeah, that's it. So still 12 minutes to go. If we can score another quick one, we've got a grandstand finish. Come on, Sammy. Come on, boy. Atta boy. 28-18, 12 to go.
That's 2 tries, that's it.
2 tries. There's still time. If we can score one quickly though. Go semi. Oh, fuck. I don't know how many times we dropped the ball today, man. Not Oh, finally the sun reaches us. The sun reaches us, brother. Oh, they're gonna score again. Yeah, you gotta say. Yeah, you gotta say the Dolphins have earned that. Full time. Dolphins win 28-18. A lot went against us today. Alright guys, just got home. Obviously a disappointing result for the Roosters. Congratulations to the Dolphins to start with. Definitely a really good performance for them. Obviously had a lot more to achieve than this game. Look, at the end of the day, I think the NRL needed the Dolphins to win today because we needed the new team to be relevant for a few weeks. So everyone thinking that the Dolphins are going to do well this year, they're not. But good on them. Congratulations, great win. But we'll see in 27 rounds if they can keep this up. So look, on the Roosters' point of view, it wasn't great performance. Kept dropping the ball. We're trying to do too much with it. So learning curves. Had a few people out, but that's okay. You know, there were a lot of things that didn't go our way today. But that's the end of that's footy. So well done, Dolphins. You guys did deserve to win that game, 100%. But you know we can get better. So you know we'll work on that. So nothing to worry about, Roosters fans. Nothing to worry about. We've been in this situation so many times where we lost in round one and everyone writes us off after one game. So yeah. Alrighty, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. I know it's not as great as I first imagined, but you know we will get it out there anyway. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys new around here, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Turn the notifications on. We are currently at 664 subscribers, so we are building. It's only the first vlog of 2023. In 2 weeks' time, we will be at Roosters Rabbitohs at Allianz. Next week, I'm just going to be live streaming the Roosters Warriors. But we've got so much planned so far. So stick around, guys. It's going to be a fantastic year on the channel. That's just the first vlog of 2023. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. But until then, it's goodbye for now.